Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to open an Affirm account. Now this is basic and verified step-by-step guide on how to do this. The first thing you need to do is you can initiate the process by going to the Affirm website or downloading the app. So once you've done that, you can also choose Affirm as a payment method at a partner store's checkout. Then those are the two ways of starting the process. Now we're talking about how to open an Affirm account. So let me repeat that. You go to the Affirm website or you download the Affirm app from the Google Play Store or from the App Store. Next, once downloading the app or going to the website, you go to sign up or open an account, depending on the option you're given. And then you have to enter your US or relevant country's mobile phone number. This is for verification purpose. After that, you enter the verification code that will be sent to your mobile number. Next, you have to provide your legal name, email address, and date of birth, also your address. After that, you provide the last 4 digits of your social security number. This is required for identification, verification, and a credit decision. After that, don't forget to acknowledge and agree to the terms and conditions and privacy notice. Then you tap or click on create account. So once you've done that, you might be asked for additional information to verify your identity, such as linking a bank account or providing a photo ID. And once you've done that, that's it. Now the basic requirements, like I said earlier, is that you must provide a social security number, which means you have to be a resident of the United States, or you can also apply from UK or Canada. You must be at least 18 years old or 19 if you're from Nebraska. You must have a social security number, especially if you're in the US. Also, you must have a phone that receives SMS and registers to the United States or the relevant country which you're applying from. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.